Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete work orders using FluidLife's myLab. First, I'll select work orders from the myLab homepage. Outstanding work orders are displayed in a list on the left. I can choose to view all work orders or those that are assigned to me by changing the view option below the list down here. Viewing all work orders is the only way to see work orders that haven't been assigned to anyone specific. I'll select my Plant 3 route. The work order details are now listed on the right. I can see all of the tasks in the work order. I can also edit, delete, and add additional tasks if I need to. I can print out the work order by clicking the Print Work Order button here. Or I can print out multiple work orders by using the checkboxes to select them, and then clicking the Print Selected Work Orders button here. If I click on the Materials tab, I can see all of the materials I need to complete the tasks, and I can print this information out prior to the work being done. There's also a global option I can set to have the materials list printed automatically when the work order is printed. If the work order has tasks that involve taking a sample, I could set up the samples beforehand, allowing me to print blank sample labels to take with me by pressing the Setup Print Samples button here. It's not necessary to print the labels. I can go do the work, and when I complete the work order, the samples will be created. You can choose a method that suits your current workflow. I will complete the work order without printing labels by clicking on the Start Completion button here. Now I can quickly mark the tasks completed by using the checkboxes. This automatically sets the task to being completed successfully. If it's not the case, I can change it. If there's additional information to be recorded for the task, I can edit the task like this. Here, I can enter the meter reading, equipment oil service, and whether the oil was changed. My meter reading and service values have already been filled in for me. That is because meter readings for my equipment are being recorded daily. Please see the video on recording meter readings for more information. The Oil Lube Info tab has information for oils and filters. On the Readings tab, I can enter any readings that were defined for this task. The component temperature and pressure are standard, but you can add your own custom ones, such as the oil level one I have here. The Instructions tab allows me to enter some additional notes about the task, as well as links to resources that may have information pertaining to the task. On the Customs Field tab, I can enter values for any custom fields I've created. If you haven't created any custom fields, then this tab will be blank. If I made any changes, I will click OK, but since I haven't, I'll just hit Cancel. If there are still tasks remaining to be completed, then I could save and leave the work order open by clicking here. If all the tasks have been completed, either successfully or not, then I save and complete the work order by clicking here. If the work order had tasks where a sample was taken, then I am given the opportunity to edit the sample information and print the labels, which I will do. Here I can enter any of the other sample information needed. All of the basic information is filled in already for me because it was entered on the tasks. Once I am done making any changes, I'll continue completing the work order by clicking here. The work order is now completed and the tasks become maintenance records. I can now choose to print the sample labels, which I will. This gives me a print window showing the samples that were created. I can select the label type I use here, and then print by clicking the button here. This opens a new tab of my browser, ready to print. This concludes the video on completing work orders. Thank you for watching.